He's so windy and loud, it does that. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Is it named Dumpy? Is that what that is?
No, that's Dumpy Clap.
Dumpy Clap? Oh,
Yeah, it's called Big Bang Jeep.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
This looks good.
Leave that one open.
Open, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Uh-oh. Dang. Was that from the system?
Part of it.
Part of it, yeah. Nice. Oh, this is not. I like the black light system look of it with the moon or the galaxy, and really nice. So, could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick first, man?
My name's Anthony. We got 4 Otis Design Shockwave 18s and a 4th order B pillar. 2 Smart 5 bases wired at 0.35 apiece. A couple alternators, 192 amp hour headway, and we're doing a 160 at the headrest last time I checked. At 30 hertz.
Really? Wow. That's good.
Pretty low for a 4th order.
Are you happy?
Oh yeah.
For a 4th too, yeah.
Yeah. It's windy for a 4th.
What is your sealed section and ported section sizes, if you know, or roughly?
It's about 12 cubes on the lower side for the sealed section, and I'm about 20 cubes for the top side.
Okay.
And the tuning, I think, is right around 48 hertz with the round numbers.
Yep. Really nice. And these subs are rated at RMS?
2500 RMS.
2500, okay.
It's been like that. Go ahead now. He's got something to do.
Yeah, relax. It's all good.
Yeah, I know.
To be honest, can you imagine somebody freaking out, somebody's not used to bass, and they're like, they can't open it?
I wanted to do it on the inside so you could latch yourself.
Yeah.
But I couldn't work it out with the
Correct, it'd be hard to do. Yeah. And the latch is a good thing. It helps your SPL score too, and less flex.
I haven't tested it with it yet, so
Yeah.
I'll let you know when I find out.
Yeah, if you try it with it off and then on, you never know. Take a look at the back.
Yep. Open the back door.
Nice. So everything's in the side doors, nothing in the back?
What's that?
Nothing in the back, just the sides? Okay. So you have more space built all the way back?
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah, you can open it. It's unlocked.
That way I can kind of see how far back your box is. There you go, okay. Optimal space. Yeah. How many cubes did you get out of the vehicle, do you know? When you built it?
Before displacement and everything was right around like 45.
45? Not bad. And this is a Jeep?
Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Grand Cherokee, okay. Awesome. Good job, man. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you. Yep.
So there's his latches. Good little idea.
That Jeep right over there?
Huh?
The 6, the 9,
Yeah, oh yeah. Can I come over? Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I love to hear it. This looks good, man.
All right.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Turn it up a little bit more. Yeah. Short nigga, but my dick tall.
Well, to the bitch dog. I'm this dog nigga down at the pitchfork. Dirty fan bitches wanna suck my dick off. I was in the funk, finna get the hip dog. Real nigga shit. And all day.
Skinny.
Extra second, I can let you in.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm coming in. Sure to give him a like for a great demo. Second song. Here we go. He just latched me in, so you know what that means. So there's a latch right here?
Yes.
Okay.
I got them on both doors.
Nice.
I guess that's all good.
Got me thinking, babe.
Skinny.
Yeah, putting some power on him, man. Wow.
Just 2 smart 5s, man.
Pretty powerful, yeah. The amps are doing good, man. So windy and loud, it does that, man. Huh?
In here bad.
Does he?
Yes.
This is awesome, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Really musical and low in throw.
Yeah.
You can load off of that door and everything pressure on me, so you did a nice.
You got it.
Thank you for the demo. What was your name again?
Anthony, bro.
Anthony. Appreciate it.